not every travel business handles bookings the same way. When a traveler clicks Book Now on your trip page, it opens WP Travel Engine's built-in booking modal, walking them through date selection, package type, and accommodation before landing on checkout. But what if you want to send them somewhere else instead? Or replace that button with your own booking form? The Custom Booking Link add-on lets you do both. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have the Custom Booking Link add-on installed and activated on your website. Once that's ready, you're good to go. From your WordPress dashboard, hover over WP Travel Engine in the left sidebar, then click on Settings. From the left panel, click on Extensions, then click on Custom Booking Link underneath it. The first thing you'll see is the Allow Custom Booking Link toggle. Go ahead and enable it. Once turned on, a booking type option appears, giving you two choices: External Link and Custom HTML. Let's start with External Link. In the button label field, enter the text you want to display on the booking button. If you leave this blank, it defaults to Book Now. Next, in the Booking Link field, enter the URL where you want travelers to land when they click the button. This could be a contact page, an external booking platform, or any URL of your choice. Just below that is the Open in New tab toggle. Enable this if you want the link to open in a new browser tab instead of navigating away from the trip page. Once you're happy with these settings, click Save Settings. Let's see how this looks for your travelers. Open any trip on your website. The booking button displays the label you set. Click it, and instead of going to the default checkout, travelers are taken directly to the URL you configured, opening in a new tab since we had that option enabled. Now, let's switch booking type to Custom HTML instead. Once selected, you'll see a single HTML code field. Paste in your own HTML here. This could be an embedded form, a booking widget from a third-party platform, or any custom code your booking process needs. Travelers won't see the default booking button at all once this is active. Once you're done, click Save Settings. Let's check this trip again. Right where the Book Now button used to sit, travelers now see our custom content instead, with a message followed by a green WhatsApp button. Clicking it opens WhatsApp directly in a new tab. Travelers can go straight to a real conversation without ever clicking through to a separate checkout. If you need different booking settings for a specific trip, go to Trips. Open the trip you want to edit. Scroll down to Advanced Settings, then click on the Custom Booking Link tab. Enable Override Global Booking Link, and you'll see the exact same booking type options and fields we just walked through, letting you set a different link or HTML for this one trip while every other trip keeps following your global settings. And that's it! If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We're always happy to help. You can also reach our support team using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.